Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got the Brawn 845 Lumen Underhood Work light from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. As we can see here, we got the Brawn Underhood rechargeable work light 845 lumens, variable light mode, high and low, shatter resistant, rechargeable lithium ion, works while charging, beam distance 88 feet, up to 7 hours of runtime, vertical stand. So I guess you could put it like a vertical stand, you know, like that, and then you can put it a horizontal stand like with the hooks under the hood, and then you can put magnetic clamp with pull out strength cord for longer reach, fold away swivel hooks. Well, it was kind of hard to get this box out of the box, the bigger box, so I had to, it's kind of smashed. But this box, that's where the other accessories come. So we pretty much got a car charger, you know, with the cigarette adapter, and then we got a house charger. Pretty much, I guess you just plug it in and it charges. This part is plastic, this part's rubber, feels real good. Rubber, the yellow part's plastic, this is plastic, so this is real nice, actually, nice rubber. Feels good. It's real grippy, so you can't just it doesn't really slip off, so it's, you can even use this as a weapon. Pretty much that's the on button, so that's the on. It's a real bright light. Off, bright. And we'll test this out on the vehicle so you guys will see how bright this is. Yeah, this thing actually is pretty bright. It's making me blind. And you guys could use this while you charge it. So that's a great function there. Because sometimes you run out of battery and you still have half of the job left. So rechargeable underhood work light contains 3.7 volts, 2000 mAh. Lion battery pack. You got the serial number there, part number 63990. Let's see what else. Let's see what else is on this side. We got some hooks. We got some magnets here. I don't know if you guys could see it. So you got two magnets, and then you got a hook here. Pretty much pretty strong. And I guess you can unscrew this, yeah. To this side. So you can unscrew this, and if you want to get like a longer reach, like if you want to, you know, put this in a hook or something like that, or you can just put it on the magnets. And this is elastic, so you're not gonna break it loose or anything like that. You're not gonna break it. And this just screws on. Should screw back on. Same thing with the other side, I would guess. You got the LEDs. Pretty much you got a bar from here to here. Clear plastic. It says Brawn, a big Brawn on the back. Brawn right there. Sorry guys, we got a clip right there. That means the magnet's working. Let's see here. On this side, we got a non-enough button. Oh yeah, we got a non-enough button on both sides. So you can leave it on this side and turn it off on the other side. So that's a very clever thing. See? So you got a non-enough button on both sides. And same thing with this. You got rubber, plastic. Yellow is plastic. This is plastic. And you got another hook on the back. Alright, let's test this outside on the car and the truck and see how this works. Alright, as we can see, that's it installed with the hood. I installed it with the hooks because my hood is not steel, it's aluminum. You see that's the high and low settings. That's the off. It's the off and low and high. And that's the way it looks when I put it under with those holes from the hood. Use the hooks. Works pretty good, and you can turn it around if you want to flip it up, forward, or flip it back. The light, and that's, you can pretty much see all the engine compartment, even the surroundings where you're standing. You can see at night on the outside. That's for the inside of the vehicle. If you want to work on stereo or put a stereo or pretty much anything on the inside of the vehicle, you can see pretty well, just like daylight. This is more inclined for the mechanic. I gotta say, I'm very impressed with this light. It's real bright. It's actually brighter than what it looks on this camera, because this camera has the light, the white balance thing. I don't know much about cameras, but yeah, they do have that, and it's a lot brighter in person actually. So that's how I hooked it up to the top by those hooks or those levers, and that's how it looks if you carry it around with one arm. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, more Harbor Freight, Home Depot, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.